the Voice News. I'm Palak with you. The politics of UP is getting interesting. Well, the entry of new parties create a stir. Talking about the politics of Uttar Pradesh, mainly the battleground BJP, SP and BSP has been going on. In some places, the influence of some small party has also been seen. As the Uttar Pradesh Assembly elections are approaching, the politics is getting interesting. In front of someone, there is an effort to get power. In front of someone, there is an effort to save power. While there are some whose worries about making land history. In Raj Ki Baat, on the effort to prepare this new land, in which some such people are being entered, which will cause a lot of stir in the questions of UP elections. However, it is a very matter of secret that the 2022 UP Assembly elections will be very different. It is a matter of secret that in 2022 UP will see multi-cornered and not triangular contest. And the planning of big giants is going on to the land in UP. In Uttar Pradesh, Aam Aadmi Party has already announced to contest election. Panchayat elections have already started. But the secret is that one non-BJP and non-Congress Rashtra Manch has also made up its mind to enter the political field of UP. It simply means that it is the upcoming assembly elections of UP. Sharad Pawar, Mamata Banerjee will also be the scene playing the rhythm. The point of the secret is that when the 2K, Prashant Kishore will come enter. This means that this trial of politics can create a big challenge and tensions for the BJP to take power. As for the Mamata Banerjee, her party has once won one seat in UP and Prashant Kishore's track record is the concerns of the ruling party. It is a matter of the secret that BJP organization is also believing that the present era has become challenging for the BJP in UP. Whether it was due to the mishandling of the second wave of COVID because of other ethnic and political equations. BJP is aware of the rapidly changing political equations, and it is also a matter of secret that some leaders in the high command are also under tensions about it. It is a matter of secret that when the leaders of UP meet National President JP Nadda, then it is believed that the entry of Rashtra Manch in the war of UP will increase the challenge. But only when the leaders meet the Home Minister Amit Shah, he refuses to accept the challenge. Shah believes that there is no challenge of any kind in UP. When questions arises of Bengal, they argue that they all have lost, but BJP has got more advantage in the state than ever before. So overall, the fortifications of different parties, fronts and alliance has started to win UP. In such a situation, it is a big effort for the BJP to cultivate a scatter and have to have a strong hold in the weak areas. The party's hold has already weakened due to the farmers' movement in western UP. And now the ban of the Rashtra Manch should not create any new problems. The brainstorming of BJP is going on in this. Whatever may be the outcome in 2022 elections battle, it is certain that political parties will also soon their breath. It is certain that the political parties will also hold their breath, and the voters who vote, whom to vote for on that issue. If you are watching on Facebook, then follow this page. If you are watching on YouTube, then like, subscribe and share. And don't forget to press bell icon.